for the completion of registration ceremony. Here comes the house vice captain of Tangal House, Numita Vaikom of class 11 science. Welcome Numita Vaikom as the vice captain of Tangal House. Here comes the house prefect of Tangal House for pinning the age and welcome and request Sir Vikas, house master of Tangal House and Sir Principal to pin the age for the house prefect of Tangal House, honoring them. These are the house captain, house vice captain, house prefect of Tangal House, along with the house master, Sir Vikas, for the board procession and request Sir Principal Sir to join the stage. These are the house captain, house vice captain, house prefect of Tangal House. And the next house is pleased to get ready, that is Pauna House. Pauna House, house captain is Hassan. So house vice captain is Chinkwi Raja. House prefect is Dhanraj Sharma. Next, we have the Pauna House. House vice captain, Chinkwi Raja, the house prefect, Dhanraj Sir Kennedy and Sir Yangimba, house captain, to pay the bets. Here comes the house vice captain, Chimpy Raja Levichu Chingo, to come up on the stage. For pinning, I request Sir Yangimba and Sir Kennedy to pay the bets for the Pauna House vice captain. This is Chimpy Raja Ranaichu Chinu of class 11 arts. The house